What's up, guys? Today's going to be a short video. I got a quick question for you. I was heading to Target with the kids today, and I found this bike on the side of the road. I want to show it to you right here. It's pretty beat up. Rusty chain. Obviously a Walmart special, but it's free. My question is should I take the time and fix it up? It's a 24-inch. Use it as a beater bike, maybe for my son's friend when he goes biking with us. Or should I put it back on the curb? What do you think? What do you think? I don't know if I need another project, but I just couldn't pass it up. Maybe paint it, do some custom airbrush stuff on it. I don't know. You tell me. What do you think I should do? Should I throw it away? Should I make it another project? We got another video coming up for you this week, a nice edit. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.